Oh my gosh.
Uh-oh.
Hey, don't put that on your mouth, okay? You don't put it on your mouth.
We're having a picnic with H-I-J-K, horse, ice cream, jacks, and kites. It's a special letter day.
That's pretty loud.
Hey, what do you know? Hey, do you think I care? Hey, look! Can you see? Why?
Good job, Ellie.
Hey.
That was great.
We are going on a scavenger hunt.
I don't know this song.
Scavenger hunt. We are going on a scavenger
I
hunt.
just have to learn it.
All around.
Everybody
You just want to sing everybody put your hands up.
Everybody Hattie.
We are going on a scavenger hunt. A scavenger hunt.
Janice, we got separate cars, okay? If you want to go, you can go.
A scavenger hunt.
Are you like, all right?
We are going on a scavenger
Oh, you know what's wrong with the computer?
No.
What
How
Picture that begins with the letter. Use the microphone to sing along. A, B,
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R,
begins with C.
Mommy?
Find a picture that you A, B,
C, D, E, F. Is this a piano?
J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V.
Excuse me, computer. I need to go potty.
Now we know our ABC. Won't you come and explore with Elmo?
I'm gonna go potty.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. That's Elmo's butterfly net. It helps Elmo catch the letters.
Hey, my computer.
Here, you sit over here and play.
We're having a picnic with H-I-J-K, horse, ice cream, jacks, and kites. It's a special letter day. Hey, what do you know? It's
Hey,
L-M.
where are you going?
Hey, do you think I care?
Go.
N-O spells no. Not